In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your listings up on eBay. Your eBay business depends on your products. If you're just starting out in your eBay business, you probably don't know what to sell. That's why we recommend to find a product around your house. You need something that's small, lightweight, and easy to pack and ship. Make it low to moderate value, perhaps an unwanted gift. The item should be preferably new, and also if it's a brand name item, that's an advantage as well. Once you've looked through your house and found some items to sell, the main thing you need to do is to research. Your eBay business is built on research. Once you know how to research product and see how much it will sell for, you can know exactly what to buy and what price you need to buy it for. Here's how you do eBay research. To start, visit www.powersellerpath.com/research. What this will do is bring you to our recommended research tool, which is called Terapeak. Terapeak gives you a lot of information that you wouldn't otherwise have if you just searched on eBay. What you want to do is go down here where it says Product Keywords and type in the keywords that describe what you want to research. I've looked through our home and found an old cell phone that I'm not using. It's a Motorola V235, so those are the keywords I'll type in here. You can put your email address in, it's optional, and they can send you tips and tricks to increase your profits. We're not going to do that right now, but you could do that if you want to. Once you've put in your keywords, click Search. Here we see the price research report for those keywords that I typed in on Terapeak. One thing to notice that this is the free version of Terapeak. This gives you the basic information that you need, and there's also an upgraded version of Terapeak, which is a monthly subscription fee. When you are using the free version of Terapeak, it's important to change the duration. So here we're doing a 7-day research. We want to put this up to 14 days. Basically, the longer the duration, the more information you can gather, and the more accurate your averages will be. Click Search. You can see that we have more listings. The sell-through rate has changed slightly. So this is a more accurate indication of what's going on eBay. If I was to scroll down, I would see the overview, the highest price items. Also, Terapeak tells me what day of the week, what time of day to sell, the listing promotions that people are using, listing types, the duration, whether I should list for 1, 3, 5, 7, or 10 days, also keywords that have been used, and popular categories and pricing. At the very bottom of the price report, we can actually see the listings that go into the research that was just done. At the top here, we see that there was a listing that sold for $70. Another one sold for $70, another one, and then the prices descend from there. Terapeak, by default, searches by end price highest first. So when you're looking at these, you're going to see the most expensive ones at the top. And we can see others going down here. One thing to notice though, we saw some very high prices in the listing results, and yet our average price is quite low. This is because we haven't used the proper keywords to do our research. This is going to display for a Motorola V235 charger, or a battery, or a case as well. So what we want to do is exclude these keywords from our research. We do this by putting a minus sign and then the keyword we want to use. So minus battery, minus charger, minus case, and I'm also going to do minus cable. This will allow us to leave out these listings that have these keywords in, which are probably bringing the average price down. In the full-blown version of Terapeak, the paid-for version, you can actually filter by category to make sure that you're only searching in the cell phone category and not the cell phones and accessories category. So once you've done this, click Search. You can see here that the average price has changed significantly. It used to be around $7, and now the average price is around $23. This is quite good if I'm selling my cell phone because I'm going to want a little bit more money for it than just $7. Also, we can see that there were 143 listings, and the sell-through rate was 34.27%. Again, if we scroll down, we can see more information about where it was listed, the time of day, and so on. One thing I need to consider when selling an item on eBay is how many sell per day. This is very easy to calculate with the numbers that Terapeak gives us. What we need to do is do 143 times the sell-through rate of 34.27%, and that gives us 49 sales per 14 days. Over these 14 days, 49 have sold. If I want to figure out how many sell per day, I take the 49 and divide it by 14. About 3.5 sell per day. This is quite good because it indicates that there is some demand for this item. If 3 sell per day, that means at least 3 people are interested in buying one of these each and every day. Obviously, the more sell per day, the more demand there is, but 3 a day is quite good. Especially for this item just sitting around my house, I'm definitely going to go in and list this on eBay because I might be able to make $20 for it. It's interesting to notice the start price. So if I wanted to start my auction, this is a good place to start it at around $10.55. I might start it at $9.99 and then see where the bidding goes from there. What you want to do is take this information that you've just gathered from Terapeak, write it down on a separate piece of paper, so when you actually go in and make the listing, you have some information about when you should list, how long the listing should be, time of day, and so on.